Welcome guys to HSE-UAV. We're here flying our G200 Spraying Drone, and I want to show you guys how the obstacle avoidance system works. So this drone has a radar obstacle avoidance system, and we're going to use this net over here to demonstrate how it can detect even small, difficult to detect obstacles like a thin net like this. So we'll go ahead and take off with the drone, start intentionally flying towards the net, and the aircraft is going to stop for me. This is going to happen, of course, whether it's flying manually or autonomously. So I'll go ahead and arm the aircraft now and start my takeoff procedure. So go ahead and take off. All right, so I'm going to start flying towards the net here. I'm probably going to start hearing a beeping from our control. It stopped me. It's already detected the net. Let me just show that to you guys one more time. I'll back up. And I'm going to tell it to go full speed ahead. And you can see it just stopped the aircraft. So I'm going to let go of the controls. You can hear it's beeping now, letting me know that I'm close. So let me try that again. It's very reliable. And this aircraft does have sensors front and rear. So whether you're flying towards it or flying backwards, still detect the obstacle. Here, I'll go ahead and spin it around. You might be able to hear that beeping. I'll show you guys it works whether you're flying forward or backwards. Flying backwards, and I'm flying towards it. There it is. It stops right there. I'm actually holding the stick all the way back, and the aircraft is not getting any closer. You can see it's now responding to my input. You are too close. I'm getting a red indicator on my display, and of course it's beeping out and telling me I'm too close to an obstacle. So I start backing away from it.